All right, the third one is 6.2 median, or maybe it's the first one if you watch it first, but I made it third, so I'm considering it the third one. 6.2 median. So you're going to learn what the median is in a set of data. And median, think about a median like on a road. If you're going down the road, driving on the road, and it's split in two, there might be a median in the middle. Just like my beautiful picture here. This part right here, that would be the median. And that can hint to you if you forget what a median is. Median is the number right smack in the middle. So median is the number in the middle of a data set. So make sure you put that in your notes. Median is a number in the middle of a data set. So median, middle. Now, we're going to take a look at a little data set here. So let's take a look at this. There's 5 numbers, 7, 9, 6, and 10. And the median is a number in the middle. Now, to find the median, and you need to write this down in your notes, the number one thing you need to do before you do anything else, number one, you need to put numbers in order. So right now, I'm going to rewrite these numbers in order. So I'm just going to do it right in the middle. 6 is my lowest number, then 7, then 8, 9, and 10. So now, I have the same exact numbers, but I put them in order, which is step number 1. You have to do that. That is step number 1. Put the numbers in order first. Then, number 2 is start at the outside and cross off 2 numbers at a time. So, we're going to start at the outside, X out 2 numbers at the same time. Now, this is really important. So, you're going to cross out 2 at a time. So, we're going to cross out 6 and 10. Then we're going to cross out 7 and 9. And what we're left with is 8. So, the median is 8. Now, number 2 is very, very important, and it's going to be very important because of what happens next. So if there is an odd number, then it's going to be very easy. You put all the numbers in order, and then you start out, cross out 2 in the middle, or 2 on the outside at a time, and then you get what's left in the middle. Now, there's one other thing that can happen, and I'm going to show you with this next data set. Okay, here's the next data set. 4, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Okay, number 1 says first thing we need to do is put the numbers in order. And luckily for us on this data set, they're already in order. 4, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. They're in numerical order from least to greatest. So, then we're going to start at the outside and we're going to X 2 numbers at a time. Now this is very important for this. So we're going to X out 4, X out 10 at the same time. Then we're going to X out 4 and 9 at the same time. Now, we're left with 2 in the middle. This is why number 2 is really important because of the next one. Number 3 says, if 2 numbers are left, find the mean. So if there are 2 numbers left like this, 6 and 8, find the mean. So in that case, we just add the 2 numbers together. 6 plus 8 is 14, divided by 2 because there's 2 numbers, and we would get 7. So our median is 7. Even though it's not in the data set, our median is 7. Now, if you were a smart observant person, think about this. If 6 and 8 are the 2 numbers, what's the number directly in the middle of 6 and 8? You would know that the answer would be 7. That's another way to look at it. Okay, so step number 1 is put the numbers in order. Step number 2, start at the outside, cross out 2 numbers at a time, and sometimes you have to do number 3, which is if there are 2 numbers left, find the mean. Okay. I'm going to give you one easy one and one hard one, okay? First data set. 7, 4, 8, 9, and 10. I want you to pause and solve the median. Okay, first step is put them in order. So it's 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Step number 2 is to cross 2 out at a time from the outside. 1, 2. 1, 2. So our median would be 8. That's all there is to it. Let's try one more. This is a little tougher. So here's the next one. 4, 9, 8, 5, 2, and 11. So, pause, solve for the median. Okay, so first thing we need to do is put them in order. So it's going to be 2, 4, 5, 8, 9, and 11. I'll just erase the rest of them, get them out of my way. Then I cross out 2 at a time. So, cross out the 2 and the 11. Cross out the 4 and the 9. And what we're left is 5 and 8. So the last step is you need to find the mean of those two. So 5 plus 8 is 13. And 13 divided by, there's two numbers. So my answer is going to be 6.5. Because 2 times 6 is 12. Leave us 1, carry the decimal up, and drop a 0. And we get 6.5. So that's how to find the median. See ya.